often when we're about to leave. We don't just say bye and walk away. We usually say something first. Something like, all right, I should get going, or let me excuse myself. And in Thai, there are several natural ways to say exactly that. These phrases help you politely excuse yourself, ask to leave, or just let someone know you're heading out. Let's look at some of the most useful ones, starting with the more formal expressions and working our way toward relaxed, everyday phrases. Let's begin with something you'll hear in respectful or professional settings, like at work, during a formal dinner, or when you're visiting someone's home. In these moments, it wouldn't feel right to just stand up and say bye. You'd want to excuse yourself properly, in a soft, polite way. That's when Thai people use this phrase.
ขอตัวก่อน ขอตัวก่อน
It's one of the most commonly used polite phrases for taking your leave. Let's break it down.
ขอ ขอ
means to ask or to request.
ตัว ตัว
refers to oneself or literally the body.
ก่อน ก่อน
means before or first. So it's like saying, may I excuse myself first? But in daily use, it simply means, excuse me, I need to go now. This phrase is especially common in formal or respectful situations. You'll hear it when someone wants to leave without being rude or abrupt. For example, at a business meeting, at a host's house, when speaking to elders or teachers. To make it even more polite, Thai speakers add a polite particle at the end. If you're male, you say,
ขอตัวก่อนครับ
If you're female,
ขอตัวก่อนค่ะ
you can also add the softening word,
นะ
to sound more gentle.
ขอตัวก่อนนะครับ
Or,
ขอตัวก่อนนะคะ
it's like saying, okay, I'll take my leave now, all right? In a very respectful way. And finally, this phrase is often followed by a goodbye like,
สวัสดีครับ
or,
สวัสดีค่ะ
depending on who you're talking to. If you want to say you're leaving to go home, there's a polite phrase just for that. It's,
ขอตัวกลับก่อน ขอตัวกลับก่อน
let's look at what this means. You already know,
ขอตัวก่อน
which means, excuse me, I'd like to excuse myself. Now we're adding the word,
กลับ กลับ
which means to return or to go back. So when you say,
ขอตัวกลับก่อน
you're literally saying, I'd like to excuse myself to return first. In natural English, I have to leave now and go home. This is a polite and respectful way to excuse yourself when you're leaving to go back home. Not just leaving the room, but leaving the place entirely. It's often used in these situations. Leaving the office for the day. Leaving someone's house after a visit. At the end of a group gathering or dinner. If you're leaving to go somewhere else, not home, Thai is another phrase.
ขอตัวไปก่อน ขอตัวไปก่อน
Here,
ไป ไป
means to go. So this one means, excuse me, I have to go now. It's used when you're heading to another appointment or event. And like the others, it stays polite with,
ครับ
or,
ค่ะ
at the end. Now, let's look at how Thai people speak when things are more relaxed. In casual situations, like with friends or close coworkers, you don't need to say,
ขอตัว ขอตัว
to excuse yourself formally. Instead, Thai speakers often just say,
ไปแล้ว ไปแล้ว
that simply means, I'm off now or I'm leaving already. It's short, natural, and very common among friends. To make it sound even friendlier, people often add the soft particle,
ไปแล้วนะ ไปแล้วนะ
I'm heading out now, okay? There's another casual and really common phrase you'll hear all the time in Thai.
ไปก่อนนะ ไปก่อนนะ
This one means, I'll go ahead now or I'll leave first, okay? This is a polite, but informal way to say you're leaving, often used when someone else is staying behind. You'll hear it all the time between friends, coworkers, even in cafes or gatherings. For example, your friend is still finishing coffee, but you need to leave. You say,
ไปก่อนนะบ๊ายบาย ไปก่อนนะบ๊ายบาย
Now here's something cool about this pattern. You can insert a destination or reason right after.
ไป
And it still follows the same structure. Like this.
ไปซื้อของก่อนนะ ไปซื้อของก่อนนะ ไปซื้อของก่อนนะ
I'm gonna go buy something first, okay? Or
ไปทำงานก่อนนะ ไปทำงานก่อนนะ ไปทำงานก่อนนะ
I'm heading to work now, okay? This structure is super flexible. You're basically saying, I'm going to do something first, alright? It's friendly, casual, and sounds very natural. Before we wrap up this part, there's one more important phrase I'd love to go over, because you'll hear it everywhere in daily life. So let's quickly go over what we've learned. When you're casually saying you're leaving, you can use different phrases depending on the situation. If you're just heading out, no explanation, no formality. You can say,
ไปแล้วนะ ไปแล้วนะ
It simply means I'm off now. Now, if you want to let people know you're leaving a little early or before others, then you'd say,
ไปก่อนนะ ไปก่อนนะ
That's like saying, I'll head out first. And if you want to mention where you're going or what you're about to do, you can add it in the middle. These phrases are all casual, polite, and super natural in everyday Thai. Now, here's another super useful phrase when you need to leave, especially when the time's up or you have something else to do. The phrase is,
ต้องไปแล้ว ต้องไปแล้ว ต้องไปแล้ว
It means, I have to go now, or more naturally, I gotta go. It's very handy and less formal than.
ขอตัวก่อน
But it still sounds polite when you say it with a gentle tone and end it with polite particles. It works great in both friendly and respectful conversations. Here's a casual example you might hear among friends.
โอ้4 ทุ่มแล้ว ฉันต้องไปแล้วนะ โอ้4 ทุ่มแล้ว ฉันต้องไปแล้วนะ โอ้4 ทุ่มแล้ว ฉันต้องไปแล้วนะ
Means, oh, it's already 10 p.m. I gotta go now. Let's quickly explain a few words there.
4 ทุ่ม 4 ทุ่ม 4 ทุ่ม
10 p.m.
ฉัน ฉัน
I, used by women. And here's a nice little bonus. A phrase you'll hear often at the end of a phone call. In English, we usually say something like, all right, talk to you later. Bye. In Thai, there's a casual phrase for that moment.
แค่นี้นะ แค่นี้นะ
Let's break it down.
แค่นี้ แค่นี้
Means that's it or just this much. And
นะ
softens it, making it sound friendly and natural. So together, it feels like saying, that's all for now, okay? Or simply, all right, I'll let you go now. It's very common at the end of a phone call. Here's an example on the phone.
เดี๋ยวพรุ่งนี้เจอกันนะ แค่นี้นะบ๊ายบาย เดี๋ยวพรุ่งนี้เจอกันนะ แค่นี้นะบ๊ายบาย เดี๋ยวพรุ่งนี้เจอกันนะ แค่นี้นะบ๊ายบาย
Means, we'll see each other tomorrow, that's all for now, bye-bye. It's casual, soft, and very Thai. Alright, that's all for today. Now you know exactly how to leave a conversation in Thai. Whether you're heading out, saying goodbye, or hanging up the phone like a native. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to give it a like. And subscribe if you haven't already. And hit that bell icon so you never miss a new Thai phrase again. Thanks for watching.